Welcome to day 2 of prompt engineering AI image generation series. So let's open ChatGPT and select an image by pressing a plus icon and select image accordingly. So after selecting an image, you can write create image. So that will help to create an image after writing a prompt, and simply type a prompt if you know the prompt. So if you don't know the prompt, so you can look over to the screens and type accordingly. So I'll show you the prompt. So simply I mention the quality of the photos, aspect ratios of the photos 3:4, and further details about the man, and then expression mode, camera angles as low angle, and the background is like bright sunrise sky with fluffy cloud, and the extra details like colorful hand drawn doodles including a star, arrows, lightning bolts, like that. So I'll give you some time to look over to the prompt, and then if you have a time you can pause the video and type this prompt. So after typing a full prompt, you can just submit. Then it will take a couple of seconds to generate an image. So let's wait. Polishing, finishing up, adding final touch, one last tick, boom. So that's the image that we want to generate. And after getting this image, you can give a response like good response, bad response, and you can save the photos. After that, you can share this picture to different platform accordingly. So comment AI if you like the full prompt. I'll send you straight to your inbox so that you can create your own version.